It's another rainy day here in Kentucky. Literally nothing new. I knew it. What do we got today?
Tell you the reason for this. Summer is coming, I'm facing temptation. Maybe I'm selfish and think with my dick. Remember we spent...
Alright, what is up guys? This is Topi, and I did a video like this in the past, but it was bad. But this is 5 easy skate tricks. These are going to be real skate tricks. Last time I did this, I'm pretty sure I did like power slides and reverts and stuff. But these are going to be real skate tricks. And I don't think you guys have seen this part of my house before, but this is like the house extension that has been unfinished for like 8-10 years now. Okay, but we cleaned it out recently, and I think it's okay to skate in. My parents aren't home, so they can't really do anything about it. But these are mostly probably gonna be like shove it variations, because those are the easiest ones. And I'm probably gonna do another part 3 to this video because this is part 2. And also tell me if you like the intro, my outro as an intro in the beginning before the video starts, or if you just like at the end how it usually is. But we're in here because it's raining. We would usually be doing this outside, but it's Derby weekend, which means it's gonna rain because it rains every Derby weekend. So we're gonna do it in here. So the first trick that we have is the fakie shove it. Now honestly, the fakie shove it is the easiest because it just kind of like pivots on its trucks, and the only hard part about it is you're gonna be rolling and landing in fakie or switch. So you want to get comfortable rolling switch before you do this. So foot positioning for the fakie shove it is instead of like right there for your back foot, for regular shoving, I'm gonna put it right here because since it's like rolling this way already, it's gonna need a lot less force to get all the way around. If you put it right here, you're gonna over rotate it. Alright, so the next trick we have here is the regular shove it or the pop shove it. And I think this kind of like plays along, and the easiest one with the fakie shove it. You could learn either or first. The regular pop shove it makes landing the fakie shove it easier, and learning the fakie shove it makes like rotating the pop shove it easier. So for the pop shove it, if you're gonna pop it, which I advise you should learn it, popping it, you're gonna have your front foot like right here, at just a little bit of an angle. Your back foot right here, just flat on the tail. Don't need it over here. You want it right here, flat on the tail, and you're gonna want to kind of like pop it straight down and just give it like a little nudge while keeping your back foot. People say just keep it on there, but I don't really do that. I just keep it kind of close to it so I can catch it. So I guess there's like a common problem with landing the pop shove it is just not committing to landing it. You're like afraid to get the back foot back on there, and a good practice step is to like land it with your front foot and then land it with your back foot, then land it with both. Alright, next we have the nollie shove it. Now, a lot of people think that the nollie shove it goes like this, but it's actually more like a front shove it. Now, foot positioning here, your front foot like kind of right there, your back foot over the edge, and kind of like think of it like a pop shove it, but like you just kind of like nudge this down and push this one back. So just like a lot in the back foot, but there's still a lot in the front foot. Now, a common problem with this one is just like not being able to get it around. Like it's a nollie trick, so it's gonna take some time to learn, but you can learn it. Now, next trick is a nollie front shove, which is just a nollie back shove, but you go the other way. Now, both these tricks, you don't want to jump high. You want to stay as close to the board as possible so you can catch it as soon as it comes around. You're going to try your best to land both, so you're going to slip out. Alright, then last, we have the ollie. Now, the ollie is easily the hardest one out of these tricks, okay? You're going to need to pop the board and slide your front foot up. And this trick is all about timing. I have a tutorial on it, which will be in the cards right there. And once you get it, it's really easy. You can get it every try. And there's always room to improve on your ollies until you get the perfect ollie. My ollies are nowhere near perfect, but I think they're good where they're at. Now with the ollie, there's all different kinds of foot positionings for the back foot. You can put your front foot up here too. Like there's way more for the back foot. I like to put mine right there. And my front foot right up here. I just think it gives me a good pop. Also, instead of popping with your leg, pop it with your ankle. Learn to snap down your ankle like really fast. And it's really gonna help you. So that's gonna be it for this video. Sorry I've been gone, but I just didn't know what to upload. I have a whole video, but I don't think you guys are gonna find it interesting. So I uploaded another skate video. I'm trying to drift away and do more things, but I don't know what to do. But till then, until I figure it out, I'm just gonna make skate videos. Next video will probably be a vlog or a persistence video. But until then, hope you get these tricks down. There's tutorials everywhere about them. I'll see you all on Toby Island, and don't forget to stay awesome.